Pepe, is it on the brink of a major breakout here? We're going to be talking about some of the very common patterns you guys should be paying attention to when it comes to the markets. And in this case, it's going to be applicable to Pepe. And these are reversal patterns that usually indicates a very powerful reversal. Okay, I'm talking about the falling wedge pattern, which is probably the most common patterns you guys will actually see if you guys actually start charting this market. And I highly recommend that you guys start charting this market and train your eyes to see these patterns and be able to spot them on your own and create opportunities for yourself. Now, on Pepe here, what I am seeing is a breakout of a bigger falling wedge pattern. After the breakout of the falling wedge pattern, it has formed another one. Okay, so let me point this out to you. This is the 12-hour time frame. Okay, on Pepe, it has broken out of this bigger falling wedge pattern that has formed since back in December 2024. So more than 6 months ago, has been running within this pattern for a long time, okay, before it actually finally broke out uh, on March 26, March 26, 20, this year, okay. So, falling wedge patterns, why is it significant? It's because it usually breaks to the upside, okay, and in this case it did. The price target for Pepe out of this breakout here is going to be about 0.000022, just in that range there, okay, about there. Now, price targets are estimates only, okay? There could be more, there could be less. I've seen all types of scenarios after a breakout, okay? Very effective risk management is going to be needed, and as you guys trade this market in the long term, you guys would know what I'm talking about. Now, since it actually broke out of this bigger falling wedge pattern, it has actually been on the upside, right? And right now it has formed another smaller falling wedge pattern that it looks like it has been trying to break out of, okay? What I'm talking about is this one that has formed back in May 25th, okay? Um, it's probably more validated on a bigger time frame here, but I'm just going to speak to you on this 12-hour time frame because TradingView is kind of lagging right now. But what I'm seeing right now is Pepe trying to break out of this pattern here. As you guys can see, it has a candle. It has two candles above the upper trend line. Very important that it does not break back into the pattern because that's going to be a fake out. Okay, what will happen if it fakes out? Well, what I do is I'll come back and rechart the pattern if applicable. Okay, or if it gets invalidated, then I'm gonna have to try to chart based on that new data. Now, the price target, if it breaks out here, if Pepe is actually able to keep this breakout above the upper trend line there, then I'm seeing a price target of about 0.000016. Okay, in that range. So this is basically what I'm looking at for Pepe. And of course, all of this is my opinions and speculations only, not financial advice. And I just want to say that all of this is going to be dependent on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin starts dumping, these altcoin setups, they matter very little. Okay, and I am long on quite a bit of these altcoins and Bitcoin as well. So I do have a bullish opinion on this market right now. If my opinion changes, I'll let you guys know. And if you guys want to continue seeing more of Pepe, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, letting me know you guys do want to keep seeing it. I'll see you guys in the next one.